What if you could build one simple CRM this weekend and then sell that exact same system to every plumber, every salon, every local business in your city for 297 a month or more forever? That's not hypothetical. I built this in 1 week, and like most of the part was taken with design part, but the deployment took like hardly 30 minutes. And I built this using nothing but Figma, Lovable, and Claude Code. Today I'm showing you the entire build, start to finish, and then how you can actually turn it into a recurring income. This is not something same like other creators are teaching you on YouTube, that build a website for local businesses or build an automation or like AI agent or like a Google review system. No, this is not anything. And like either marketing services to local businesses. No, this is completely new idea that how to build simple web app for local businesses and sell them for 297 a month and help them with AI automation and systems, everything in just one web app. Okay, so before I touched Lovable or wrote a single prompt, I planned the whole thing and out here in Figma. This is the number one mistake people make as an AI builder. They open Lovable or any other AI app and just start typing and burn their credits on build that has no plan. Instead, I map every screen first. So here is the flow chart which I mapped first, and this is inside a web flow chart. So, and this is the outside app. So like visitor lands on free website, clicks book, contact, first visits, fill out the form, and page 4 is the form. Then validate entry, contacts page, how it will work, click on contact, click plus add contact. Page 3 is pipeline, so how pipeline will work, like it stays open, deal won, or like whatever the things are. Then page 1 is dashboard and AI coach, which is the main page. I will show you entire setup right now. Then page 5 is automations, simple automations which they can build every day. 6th is social media. Social media is scheduler or planner. Then 7th page is task and team management. And owner runs this entire day from this one app. So now if you see, this is like this is the map of all 7 pages. So this one is first one is the pipeline pages, which is like you create your own pipeline. You can add lead, you can add what stage they are at, like they are new, they have contacted, they have been booked or done. You can create new pipelines based on your business. The next one is the forms page. So forms page is where you can create your own form. Right now I haven't given it a advanced level of thing like type form or like integrate forms, but yeah, you can still create forms inside this particular CRM. Then third one is contacts. You can see all of your contacts in one row and in a column, and you can like open each contact, you can update their information, you can track their activity. Then another one is task and team. So you do not need any project tracking tool now. You can create a task for your team members and for your inside app itself. So this is entire mapping of task and team. You can assign them the task. Then last but the first, which is dashboard. So dashboard shows you open deals, due, task, average time response, pipeline value. You can do quick actions from here itself. Then AI coach is also here, which is the most valuable and most important part of our entire, CRM. Like here's actual selling point of the whole product. This is the one right here, the AI coach, right? And it's a chat panel built right into the dashboard. The business owner just like types whatever they want. Like let's say for example, set up a follow-up automation, remind me to text this customer. Let's say if I wrote that, I will show you right now on the live app, and the AI coach actually builds it inside live, inside the CRM and inside automations or like follow-up automation, right? That's the difference between here's the CRM like GHL, ClickFunnels, HubSpot, and other CRMs, and here's the difference between like here's a CRM that builds itself when you talk to it. So I don't think so anyone is doing that in CRM industry. So whether you create a small CRM but you have this unique USP, like businesses will purchase this for sure. And this helped me a lot to know and understand, okay, how my CRM is going to work. All right, let's actually build it. I'm so excited. I will show you entire live web app which I have built, and it works for any industry. You just need one framework, multiple industries, just just change things accordingly. Okay, so here is everything. This is Lovable, the backend of entire project, the editing part. Then this is the live working web app which we created for any business. This is not like only for plumber or like only for salons. You can change based on the needs. Then third one is GitHub. So GitHub has a small role of like it connecting Claude Code and Lovable together. And then last and the main one is terminal, basically the Claude Code. If you don't know how to use Claude Code, I'm just recording one like 60 minutes video next week on entire Claude Code, how to build web apps using Claude Code and how to connect your Claude Code. So just stay tuned on that, and I will post it soon. Okay, so let's like here's the workflow. Basically, Lovable is connected to GitHub repo. Let me show you. So I just created a free GitHub account, and like I just got the repo created, and I just did the two-way sync in Lovable first before creating any app, anything. So I just went into like I just created local best CRM project inside Lovable. I went into settings of that particular project. So settings of project, not the settings of entire Lovable app. So once you are here, you need to go in Git, and you will see GitHub option here already. Before this, you should have a free account created on GitHub, and then you will just click on this. It will show like mine is connected. It will show you add account, and if you're logged into GitHub, it will automatically get connected from Lovable, and it will create a repo inside GitHub. So mine is created. You can see like this entire repo, and now Claude Code has everything. So what then I went is I just copied this repo code. I gave it in Claude Code, and now Claude Code is connected two-way sync with Lovable. So I give command on Claude Code and it goes to Lovable via GitHub, and this helped me a lot. And like Lovable picks it up and redeploys automatically. I just have to go on Lovable and publish things, whatever is deployed, and that's it. And like that's the whole engine room basically. So uh quick thing, this part looks bit technical, but you genuinely don't need to know how to code. You need to know how to explain clearly what you want, and for that we have our entire framework. Now my Figma is also connected to Claude Code. Even that is also very simple. You just go in Figma. Okay, you have to open the live UI UX project where you can design, and you just have to click on this code thing below, and it will come welcome you to the developer mode. You can now from here perform things. You can like get a MCP link which you just have to drop in Claude Code, and your Claude Code and Figma will be connected. So whatever design I have made, whatever flowchart I have made, Claude has done all of that. I haven't sat down and like manually created that. So now I have a easiest way that like here's the live app, and like states update real time, and like here's the AI coach which works 24 into 7. Like let me show you tomorrow. So remind me to follow with a customer tomorrow, and like I can name, I won't give any name. So this, got it, added to team task, assigned as in due date. Remind me to follow up with the customer due date and assigned to you. So basically it is working. However, it is still in beta mode, so you need to keep on changes and like doing changes in this, but it is ready to sell, right? So uh, and there it is, like a real task created live from one sentence and using chat box. So you can literally sell this to any non-technical business owner locally who does not know how to build automations, who does not know how to manage team tasks. So they just have to chat with AI coach and everything will be done inside their CRM, right? So notice one, like I'm not faking this. When I ask the AI to do something, it actually shows up on the page. That's the difference between a toy demo and a real tool business owner would actually pay for every month. This whole thing, Figma, like two fully working AI powered CRM built in, and like here's the actual business model behind this. So you can go and check on dashboard. This numbers change whenever you want, and you can ask AI anytime here. This is a demo business basically, which says Riverside Plumbing Co, Austin, Texas. Then you can see context as I showed in my Figma design. You can mark this as in done. You can change the status anytime, contacted, mark as done. You can add more contacts. Pipeline, you can add new lead here in any pipeline, which is new contacted work done. And you can have notes here, which most of the users need. Then you can have forms, so you can have simple forms created to make it more good and amazing. You can work on UI and UX later on and create a like vast version of it, like version 2 of it, where you have more things coming in. Then automations, so automations get created here. You can ask to AI coach on dashboard page and it will be created. So like, create me an automation to follow up with dead leads. Done. Created an automation to follow up. Check the automation page. Okay. So create me an automation to follow up. This is dead leads. Boom. However, this can be totally customized, like with you and from your end. I will show you how to command in Claude Code and make changes inside this web app. Then next one is social media. You can schedule post here. You can ask with AI to schedule themselves. You can add DMs as in contact and just click on add as in contact. However, one thing to check here is I haven't added connect your social media right now, but yeah, later on you can add that for sure. Task and team, I've already shown that. You can add your team members, open tasks, you can assign them new tasks. So basically this is a small AI working web app. Now let's go in terminal and let us say hmm, I would say update. Hey, first of all, I will let my terminal now open lovable local CRM project. We need to make some updates or like new changes or adding new features, anything, right? Okay, so lovable is, sorry, Cloud Code is doing its work and it will bring us everything. Got it? The context, this is local business demo. Okay, 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 okay. Listen, on dashboard it is too simple. On dashboard just add uh blog section below AI coach where business owners can either write, publish their blogs on web app and share them as an link. Boom. This is it. Let's wait for the results and see how it went. Okay, so Claude is already doing its work and it should take a while, like 4 to 5 minutes. You can grab a coffee till then, and we will have our actual change made on this app. So Claude will ask for several permissions, and Claude Code is easy to set. This will help you, and this will allow you to make more money and simple apps, because everyone is doing websites that is a lot more uh, like um, depth, and like most of the people sell websites, but web app is something which is new in the market. So see, whatever I gave to Claude in single line, Claude created a well established prompt so that I should not lose my credits, and gave it to Lovable to work on this. So I will keep eyes on Lovable, and I will keep eyes on Claude Code. So request has went through and Lovable agent is now thinking. So this will take a bit. Edited block store file is getting created and running the command. Okay, keep on checking Claude for permissions, and good, it is actively running and generating the code. This typically takes a couple of minutes for sure. So basically, this took me almost 30 minutes to create this entire web app, and main part was the Figma design. Once you have a design and you know what thing to build in, you can definitely get that done. Available completed the deployment. Now we just have to click on publish to make the update on the actual side of web live app, and once we have that, we will see our section coming in, which is blogs, where business owners can write blogs inside CRM itself, save them and share them online, either on social media or like on Google, anywhere. So okay, changes are deployed. Now we will refresh our web app. Okay, so now we have a blog section here which we need, and it will write a post, save drafts, publish shareable pages. So like this one is published, you can edit this, view, copy link, and this one is in draft. So this is something most of the people also need like right now, because if you go and build your own blog publishing site on let's say any website building app, and it will cost you a lot basically, right? So why not to give this option inside your web app? So I'm so happy to make this change, and this brings us like this app is really working for us. Okay, so here's how this turns into money. You don't rebuild a CRM from scratch for every client. You build this one as a system once, and resell the exact same thing rebranded to every local service business that is still running their leads out of notebook or a group text. More courses, more agents, more templates. If you join now as a founding member, your $17 a month price is locked for life, and this I'm doing just for starting 100 members. Even if price goes up, of course it will go up after 100 members, so you can be at same price at that time also. So link is in description. Next video, as I said in starting also, I'm spending 60 straight minutes teaching Claude everything about my own business, that once going to be a huge. Subscribe so you don't miss that out. See you next time. Thank you. Bye.